Within days, it was effective. I wasn't sore. I've always been kind of a weekend warrior and trying to keep up with these 25-year-olds and going at a pretty high level, I would say. My problem isn't keeping up in the gym. My problem is recovery. Onset muscle soreness, which we all experience. As I get older, that's 2 days, sometimes 3 days. My first experience with this, it literally shortened that window to a day. It's effective, it's clean, it's not synthetic, and it really is, it's like a superfood.